Let's say we want to add a border around our content. We can use the div element for this. First, we need to wrap everything in the div tag. Select the content you want to wrap, press Ctrl+Shift and P, search for Emmet, wrap with abbreviation, and type div and press Enter. This will wrap the selected content automatically. Now let's inspect our HTML structure. The div element is a block-level element in HTML used to group and organize content. It stands for division and acts as a container to hold other elements. Unlike headings or paragraphs, div elements don't add any semantic meaning to the content. They are purely for structure and layout. Now, let's add some style to our div. First, go to the Head section of the page. Inside, add a style tag. Now we can write some CSS rules. We want to target the div element, so let's type div. Next, open curly brackets. Now we can start defining CSS properties for our div. Let's type border, 1 pixel, solid and black, and save. And now we have a border around our content. Let's also add some background color. Background color, light blue, sets the background color. And padding, 20 pixels, adds space inside the div. As you can see, CSS is pretty simple. We target an element, div, and specified properties like border and padding along with their values. We will dive deeper into CSS styling in future lessons. For now, let's remember these 3 key points about the div element. The div tag is used as a container for grouping content together. Like headings and paragraphs, a div is a block-level element. And unlike headings or paragraphs, a div doesn't add any semantic meaning to the content. It's purely for layout and grouping of elements.